Assalamualaikum, my name is Umra Shahzad. I am representing Dr.AQ.KhanSchoolSystemCapitalCampus. In this video, basically, I would be giving an overview of the summer task that has been designed for the students of class 7 to keep them engaged with their academic and school activities. So let's begin with the first activity. It is about picture description. Look at the picture and write your own story. So you will understand the picture, what is happening, and then you're going to write the story about it. The space is given to you right over here. Then comes another activity on page number 5. Some words are given to you and you're going to find them in the word maze. On page number 6, some scenario is given to you. It's a description. You are going to read it and then you have to tell a story of your own. After reading this description, you have to further make the story of your own words. Then comes page number 7. It contains the heading letter writing. So another scenario is given to you. You are going to read the scenario and then you are going to write a letter. On page number 8, again a word maze is given to you. Some words are given over here. You are going to find them in this word maze. On page number 9, the heading is the seed. Again, some story is given to you and you are going to read it. You are going to understand it and then you are going to write about the description, what would happen next. In this one, page number 10, pick the odd one out. Some words are given to you and not all of them belong to same or similar category. So basically what you will do is that you are going to pick the odd one out in these same words. For example, the first one, cat, dog, turtle, elephant. So the turtle over here is the odd one out because turtle mostly lives in the sea or near water. Then move on to page number 11. It contains the heading at the movies. So a scenario is set up for you. This is basically about a movie, a Hollywood movie or anything. So you are going to tell who is starring the movie, like character का कोई नाम ले लें, आप कुछ भी ले लें. Setting का मतलब है कि where it takes place, whether in a jungle, in an amusement park or anywhere, any place of your choice. Then comes plot. Plot का मतलब होता है what is it about, कि is it about like horror story है, कोई tragedy है, कोई comedy है, कोई detective story है, तो you are going to write it down. Just one line. Then in the end, what happens in the end of the story, कि what tension that is being created, you are going to talk about. कोई murder हो गया है, उसको find करना है, या कोई ending हो गई है, उसको resolution आपने देना है. Then comes the category. Category का मतलब again वही होता है कि is it a horror movie, detective movie or what sort of movie, you are going to write it. Then another interesting related activity is about my favorite movie. This is about any of your favorite movie that you have watched. It could be animated, cartoon movie or any adult movie that you have watched, and you are going to fill in the information. Name of the movie, the actors, the main stars of the movie, setting again where it took place, movie की setting क्या थी, plot what was it about, climax कोई tension movie में जैसे for example again कोई murder हो गया है या कोई भी climax हो सकता है, someone is missing or you have to talk about any journey, तो climax आपने बताना है. Again the category horror movie है, thriller है, detective है. Move on to page number 13. Again some scenario is given to you about trees. So you are going to imagine or visualize what would happen to all the trees. So on page number 14 again there is an writing activity. So basically some scenario is again given to you. They are explaining to you what you have to write about. Then you are going to express your feelings about it, your feelings about the scenario in which this is given. So it is about what life will be like in the year 2050. Again you have to guess, you have to predict, you have to imagine कि 2050 में ज़िंदगी कैसी होगी, how the world would be, and you are going to write it over here. Page number 16, it contains again a word maze. Some words are given to you and you are going to find them over here. Now this one is a little bit different but all the same because you are going to write it down. So basically it's a topic, जैसे कोई speech होती है, कायदे आज़म डे के ऊपर होती है, इकबाल डे के ऊपर होती है, तो उस तरह the topic is about law. So you are going to write it down about what is law. आपने इनमें से कोई भी एक लाइन लेनी है, स्टार्टिंग लाइन, उसको आप सर्च भी कर सकते हैं फ्रॉम द इंटरनेट कि लॉ क्या चीज़ होती है, कंट्री में क्यों हमें लॉ की ज़रूरत होती है. थोड़ा बहुत सिनेरियो बना के you have to write down 5 to 6 lines. Then comes page number 18. Again, you have a word maze. Some words are given to you and you're going to find them right over here. For this one, let me tell you, comic strip basically वो होती हैं, these are like stories basically, but ये बहुत small और picture stories होती हैं कि some actor is over there, कुछ हो रहा है, picture को देखकर आपने कोई dialogue बनाना होता है कि what this man is saying, what this bird is saying, and ये उसको क्या बोल रहा है, और इस तरह करके आपने कोई एक dialogues छोटे छोटे खुद से लिखने हैं इनके लिए. Move on to page number 20. Again, there is predicting the future. This is activity is given to you कि what the future would be like. You are going to read it. किसी ने जैसे कोई famous personalities हैं, they have claimed something about future कि 200 years के बाद ये हो जाएगा. तो you are basically going to guess what will happen in the future. Again, कोई भी claim कर सकते हैं, जैसे हमने बोला कि कोई plague आ गया, कोई virus आ गया, anything like that. On page number 22, you have again a word maze and you are going to find these words right over here. Page number 23, this is a different activity because you are going to guess what colors are being referred to in this. So it's like more a detective kind of activity कि you are going to read the sentence and you are going to think कि किस color को ये sentence refer कर रहा है. Move on to page number 24. This is again a symbol game. Sentence is given to you and you're going to think कि कौन सा word किस symbol को refer कर रहा है. Not difficult. Which symbol represents this phrase? Not difficult. Full. Some. So you're going to find the symbols. On page number 25, this is again a story writing, but basically a story is already given to you. You're going to read it and you're just going to give your comments on the story. Whether you liked the story, whether you did not like the story, what was it about, just your comments after reading the story, what you actually felt. Page number 26, some general questions are given to you and you are going to just answer them like according to your previous knowledge, existing knowledge, or you could search about them maybe if you don't know in case. For example, the first question says, do you believe in ghosts or evil spirits? कि क्या आप जिन भूतों पे बिलीव करते हैं या नहीं? तो आपने बस अपना व्यू देना है कि do you believe in them or not? If yes, then why? On page number 27, again, some stories they are given to you. You are just going to write the ending. Ending is missing of each of these stories. You are going to just give the ending. Page number 28, it's again word guessing. Spelling bee means basically this is for your vocabulary. Fill in the blanks हैं. You are going to fill in the blanks with any suitable word you think could fit in over here. So this basically like depends on your vocabulary कि आपको कितनी vocabulary आती है और कितने words को आप यहाँ पे fill कर सकते हैं. On page number 29, it's a reading comprehension. You are going to read it, you're going to understand it, and then you're going to fill in the MCQs after reading the passage. And the last page also contains again a reading comprehension. You're going to read it, understand it, and fill in the MCQs. So basically this was the summer task that I've explained in the video, and you strictly have to stick to the instructions that I gave and you have to complete it and put your efforts in this.